Good evening, you're coming from First Glance Weather. I'm Jeffrey A. Gentry, your lead forecaster. Now we're going to take a look at our current conditions as of 10 p.m. in and around Pinellas County. Currently, our temperature is sitting at 81 degrees with a dew point at 74, humidity 83. The winds are from the southeast at 3 miles an hour. And it still feels like 87 degrees, so it is quite muggy out there. Our visibility is 10, our barometer is 29 and 94 and steady. Our sunrise for tomorrow will be 6:35, and our sunset tomorrow evening will be 8:29. Now we're going to look at going back to Wednesday's weather question Wednesdays. That's a new segment that I started Wednesday, but I had trouble uploading. This was our first lesson, and to have any other weather questions that you'd like to have answered on weather questions Wednesdays would be in the comment section in my YouTube channel. Please make a comment and please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. So any new further videos that would come out, they would come to your YouTube channel right away. And we're going to just go over quickly, we're going to go over our weather question Wednesdays lessons that we were for this first Wednesday, which was last Wednesday. And then we got one coming up for this coming Wednesday, and we're going to go a little bit further into preparing for tornado watches and tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm watches and warnings. And then the following week, I think we're going to do hurricane preparations, watches, warnings, storm watches and storm warnings, and storm surge watches and warnings. We'll go all of them the following week. And then I'll leave it up to my viewers, which is you guys, and you'll be able to put in the comment section of what weather questions Wednesdays you would like to know about the weather. What is the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning? A tornado watch is possible to be prepared for weather conditions favoring for thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes at any location. Usually when you have a tornado watch, that's usually by the Severe Prediction Center, and they issue the watches. Once again, a tornado watch is possible for weather conditions, thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes at one or at any locations. A tornado warning is expected. Seek shelter. A tornado is occurring or will shortly at any location will occur. That was our last Wednesdays where I couldn't upload the book. Somehow had technical difficulties, so I couldn't upload the videos. Once again, what is the difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning? We'll go briefly back over that this coming Wednesday on the weather questions Wednesdays lessons. And like I said, in my comment section on the YouTube, please leave comments on what you would like to learn on weather questions Wednesday lessons, and I'll do my research, and then for the following Wednesday we'll try to tackle that question of the week. Okay, we're going to go to the next slide, and the next slide, speaking of severe weather, Our next slide, much of Florida, as you can see right here, much of Florida is under a slight risk of thunderstorms. And the slight risk mainly damaging winds and hail for tomorrow. Out in the Central Plains and Texas and Oklahoma, a little bit of Missouri, a little bit of Arkansas, and a little sliver of Louisiana, Colorado, and Nebraska. There's a moderate risk of severe storms. Majority of it tomorrow is going to be wind, damaging winds, and hail. But we cannot rule out a tornado or two in and around some supercells of the thunderstorms out in this general area right here. So that's what I mean. And then this is done by the Severe Prediction Center's forecast. This is the day 2 wind outlook for. So like I said, it's going to be mostly wind, but we can't rule out a tornado or two tomorrow. This is our thunderstorm outlook for Saturday for Pinellas County. And this is at 2 p.m. We're looking at 20 to 50% chance of rain, and by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, we're looking at between 50 and 90% chance of rain. So the majority of the whole state tomorrow is going to be covered with thunderstorms, and earlier in the afternoon it'll be more scattered thunderstorms of the day. And now we're going to go to the Florida forecast, and these are our morning lows for Florida. I'm just going to hit on a few of them. As you can see, mostly the temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s. And I got the thunderstorm emblem right here because tomorrow, for like I said, most of the state is probability of thunderstorms. It's likely tomorrow. You got Gainesville at 74. This is 80 in the morning. 74 at Gainesville. Jacksonville at 76. Sarasota 82. West Palm Beach 81. And Miami 81. So temperatures are, North Florida upper to mid 70s. Central Florida mid 80s. And South Florida low to mid 80s. Now we're going to look at the daytime highs for tomorrow in Florida. Tomorrow for the daytime highs in Florida, and this is as of 4 p.m. You got mid 80s to low 80s around Gainesville 85, Jacksonville 86, Tampa 88, Port St. Lucie 86, and Miami 87. And once again, the thunderstorm outlook for tomorrow afternoon. Now this is our cloud cover at 4 p.m. As you can see, you think this would be clear skies, but this is clear skies here. You think this would be clouds. The clouds are more in this color in here. So that's henceforth, that's why we got this thunderstorms outlook for tomorrow all across the state of Florida, from Miami to Palm City to Daytona Beach to Orlando to Palm Bay. We got clouds and a lot of clouds tomorrow, which is going to produce thunderstorms. So now we're going to look at the Pinellas County Saturday weather planner for the upcoming day tomorrow. We will look at that for tomorrow. This is our Saturday weather planner for Pinellas County. Excuse me. From early in the morning, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Your winds are going to be from the southwest at 6 to 13 miles an hour. Your temperature is going to range from 79 to 83, and there's going to be thunderstorms. And from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., your temperature is going to be 79 to 86. And we're going to have a few gusty winds out there. Might be up out of the west at 19 miles an hour. It could go up to high as 19 miles an hour with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Like I said, 79 to 86. That's 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then our afternoon forecast, 1 to 5 p.m. You're going to have winds from the west at 8 to 15 miles an hour, and we're going to still have that gust possibility at 19 miles an hour, and your temperatures will be 81 to 86 and still within showers and thunderstorms. So basically, tomorrow afternoon, there's a chance of scattered showers. It's not going to rain all day long. So you're going to have periods of some dry weather, but some periods of thunderstorms. In and around the thunderstorms scattered throughout the day, anywhere from 50% all the way up to 60-70% by evening. So tomorrow it's going to be scattered for Pinellas County. You're going to have southwest winds at 8 to 15 miles an hour, and your evening temperature 5 to 9 p.m. will be 82 degrees with showers and thunderstorms. And we're going to look at this last slide. I'm Jeffrey A. Gentry. I want to thank you for watching our YouTube channel. I hope you learned some stuff this evening about tornado watches and tornado warnings. We will go in further in detail this coming Wednesday on Weather Questions Wednesdays lessons for this coming week. We're going to continue on the tornado safety, the severe thunderstorm watch, and there's severe thunderstorm warning safeties this coming Wednesday. And then the following week, I'm going to do the hurricane preparations and what we need to know about hurricanes and stuff, because we got some tropical waves out there. We're watching it. It's about a week and a half away from us, so we'll see what it does. And more than likely, right now, the computer models are showing it's going to curve more to the north, but it's going to probably develop into either a depression or maybe even a storm. But as of right now, there's no threat to land. And I want to thank you for watching First Glance Weather. I'm your lead forecaster, Jeffrey A. Gentry. You have a great evening. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. And please, in that comment section, what weather questions you want to be answered on Weather Questions Wednesday's lessons, just let me know. Once again, have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow evening for Sunday's forecast. And then tomorrow evening, I'll be putting out, I'll be working on my 7-day forecast for the next 7 days. And then I'll be starting getting my preparations for our Weather Wednesday's Weather Questions Wednesday's lessons for this coming week. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a great evening.